The market makes another attempt to move higher, but can't follow through. Are the bears coming for us? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. So the market tried to move up today, and we thought we had something as it started extending itself as wave threes typically do. However, it fell flat, and where it fell flat is the problem. We'll get to that in just 1 minute. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob. And I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so you can get our trade setups, our daily S&P updates, and our buying opportunities. We have 2 trades in the book currently. One was a 412% gain, one was a 25% gain. We're trying to enter our 3rd trade now, but the market really isn't working with us. So if we take a step back and we look at the full market picture, we can see that the NASDAQ and the RTY are really struggling right now. And they are in full corrections as the SPX was. And the SPX is trying to dig its way out of its corrective hole. But the market tends to trade in step, meaning if one of the indexes is doing well, it generally pulls the other 2 up. Now, it doesn't mean they all trade at the same level. For instance, if the NASDAQ is doing well, it might be up 1%, whereas the RTY and the S&P are up maybe 0.5%. But they tend to trade in the same direction. So when 2 of the indexes are in corrective mode, it's really hard for the 3rd one to advance itself. So before the S&P can get out of this hole, I think we need the RTY and the NASDAQ to finish their corrective moves. And that's why we see what we're seeing with this sideways trading in the S&P. So let's take a look in the charts and see why where it fell flat today is a problem. Okay, guys, so yesterday we talked about this ABC setup, and then we were looking for the market to extend itself at least into this box, this 1 of 3 box. That would have been ideal, and then pull itself back to 2 of 3. Now, if you squint and you kind of, look at it right, you can kind of get 5 waves out of this that follow all the parameters, but it's not clean and it's not what I would call super reliable. So it's kind of worrisome because, guys, if you look and we do a fib retracement here, which is when a corrective wave retraces off the high, okay? So we have our high of wave 1 down to our low, and where this fell short right here was the 618 fib. The problem with that is a very common B wave retracement. So we don't have a clean 5 waves up. The high was the 618 fib, which is a very common B wave retracement fib, and then we pulled back off of that and down. So it's not looking like we're in wave 3 just yet, unfortunately. I know, guys, it's a broken record. We talk about this every day, but until we get confirmation that we're in wave 3, we're going to see more of this whipsaw, and that is why we're out of the market. I mean, guys, look at this. Gap up, trade down, up, gap down, gap up, trade down, gap up, trade down. This whipsaw is not a conducive trading environment for swing trades. It's just going to eat up your premium. You're going to be up and down. You're never going to be gaining on your strike price. And we don't want to be in that environment. So I know we want to trade. I know we want to make money. I want to trade and make money, guys. I want to be in the market right now too, but it's not a good time. So what we have to do is be patient. And I know I keep saying that, but that's how you make money. Be patient and wait for the market to finish out this correction. And I think it's going to be at least 1 more day of weakness because the NASDAQ and the RTY both look like they need a lower low, and we may get that in the S&P as well. Guys, if you want to see what's going on in the market tomorrow during real-time hours, make sure you check out our Facebook group. I will leave a link down in the description. It's free to join. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel and like my Facebook page. I give real-time updates of what's going on in the market. You can also get access to our Slack account in there where I give out our actual trades in real time so that you can trade with us. Okay, our key takeaways for tomorrow, guys. We're looking for a rally up into this wave 1, which seems less likely now, but still possible. Or more likely, we're looking for the RTY and NASDAQ correction to pull us down and have another bout of weakness tomorrow. All right, happy trading, guys. We will talk tomorrow.